This house was built in the late 1920s. It originally was not insulated, but now it's been retro insulated with cellulose fibre insulation. This little glass veranda here was built about 15 years ago. It's actually in solid wood, This is called Reiswerk in Norwegian, which is a standing solid timber. It's 5 inches thick, the walls. It's all handmade. This is very harpiks rich for pine, what's called malmfuru in Norwegian. So even if bits like this, the very outside edge, start to decay, it won't fail completely because of the as soon as the rot reaches the harpiks, it stops rotting. There you can see actually was a little bit of rot which has started there, and that's because these drain pipes in close to the wall there. But as I said, the rot stops as soon as it hits the harpiks rich wood. This house is painted again by recommendation with linseed oil paint, which is very important because this house doesn't have diffusion. It doesn't have a plastic in the walls to stop diffusion of humidity going through the walls, and so it's very important that the paint is diffusion open, and linseed oil paint is one of the most diffusion open paints there is. There are other types which are just based on starch, which don't have, well, I mean, I maybe would make a film about paint some other time. Anyway, I thought I'd make a little update on this because I'm just doing a little bit of work down in the cellar to we can go down and look. It's quite a nice detail that the customers made themselves. But the owner now is selling the house, so I'm taking the liberty of making this little film because I might not be doing any more work here. Well, this was an area which I did last summer, or the summer before last, where the wall had started to rot. This is the east-facing wall, and it has the most rain weather. And the customer has bought new windows, which I put in for her at the same time. So this is just a way of reconciling the new panel with the old. That's the kind of rot damage that the whole building had. Now I don't know about the light conditions for filming in here, but the cellar is, you can see this has been after insulated with these fibre boards which just support the cellulose fibre insulation, which is made from recycled paper. There are actually some points here where I can see it's actually You can see these corks which have been put in where the insulation was blown in with a vacuum. There you can, oh no, there are some places where there are corks have fallen out and you can actually see some insulation. Well, there's a bit of it anyway. It's good stuff. It's got borax in it, which is to stop it from burning, and mice don't like it either. So here I just put the boards up and use these couple of sticks here to press them up, and then I shoot them fast with shoot them in place with a nail gun. There you go. House update. That's what I like to see.